Charging of power banks using the heat charging ports is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. Please notify our cabin crew if you notice any abnormality or signs of overheating of your portable electronic devices or batteries. For further assistance, please call any of the cabin crew.
Ano mo? Ano? Mati ba ni ba? Ano si mama? Pagumani mo, ako na po daw.